A very, very interesting day of tennis, filled with a lot of unpredictability. I mean, Blaze came out hot as we expected. He stumbled a bit in the second set, but he gathered himself, and like a true professional, I think he closed strong. So to go up 1-love is always a good feeling. And his match was as much tennis as you've seen. There's a lot to absorb in that match, to be quite honest with you. And you know, I think the unfortunate thing with a match like that is that somebody has to lose. But Randy certainly has everything to be proud of going into that. I think from my perspective, what I witnessed from Darian there is one of the more courageous performances from an athlete. I mean, all credit to him, because I know the nature of his injury and I know he was struggling. So you're right, obviously being ahead 2-love is a nicer feeling, but at 1-all we're still feeling confident. Obviously there's all to play for tomorrow, but I mean, we're certainly gonna just shake this off and prepare for what is to come tomorrow morning at 11.
And your thoughts on the turnout and what you managed to put together as an event for Jamaicans to see?
Probably asking the wrong person, but I think it was excellent. The feedback I got was very, very good. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. There's a few things I saw which we'll definitely tweak and hope to do a little bit better tomorrow. But I think it was fantastic from my perspective. The people who want international officials actually commented, it looked like a ATP event been at some country overseas. So I think it was excellent. It's good to give the Jamaican tennis public and sporting fans the opportunity to watch first-class tennis, and certainly it's great to give our guys the opportunity to play in front of their home fans. I know that they love it. They love putting on their national colors, and as you see from what Darian did here, playing a team event like Davis Cup shows that there's bigger things to play for than yourself.